Siv Mei. Taekwondo.
វីរៈកីឡាករនីសនសៀមីម្ចាស់មេដាយមាសស៊ីហ្គេម3ចំនួននិងជាម្ចាស់មេដាយមាសកីឡាអាស៊ីដំបូងគេបំផុតនៅកម្ពុជាប្រភេទកីឡា Taekwondo WT
Ladies and gentlemen, athlete Son Siu Mei, 3-time SEA Games gold medalist and the first Cambodian gold medal of Asian Games of Taekwondo WT.
Is she going to fly? Watch out. Here she goes. Where is the cauldron? The crowd are absolutely excited, and look at that, it's amazing. Oh my goodness. The dragon has been lit, and the flame goes around the outside of the stadium, along the top, the rim of the stadium, and into the cauldron. Extraordinary. Wow. The fireworks now burst into life, deafening above us. And the spectacular opening ceremony comes to a close. Son Siu Mei has done the honours, done the duties, brought to end a magnificent day in the life of Cambodia and sport. It's been a fantastic and fabulous time for the whole crowd to witness. It really has been wonderful for every single Kampuchean Cambodian, whether they're still living in Cambodia or around the world, to feel part of this amazing opening ceremony, the pride that they must feel. It was